Hi beauties, and welcome back to another video. I felt like I should do a vlog today since where I left off on my last vlogs was kind of like abrupt. I feel like we started this living room makeover and I never showed the results of it, or at least the full results, because I ran out of time. So I'm going to be showing you the results of the living room, or at least what the living room looks like right now, and an update on that coat cabinet that my fiance built. See, I feel like there were so many random things that we forgot about, or at least that I forgot about to continue on my YouTube channel. Because the last vlog I did was themed. It was a That Girl vlog, so it was kind of more of a productive lifestyle vlog. Versus this is going to be more life updates and just kind of like day in the life, not so much like trying to do a That Girl day in the life. So if you haven't watched that one, that's a fun one, so maybe go watch that. By the way, this is not matcha if you were wondering. This is actually a mixture of kale juice that I made myself and coconut milk. It's unsweetened coconut milk. And yeah, it literally tastes like lawn clippings. Which the one time I did try matcha, that is kind of the vibe I was getting, freshly mowed lawn, which is why I don't drink matcha. But this, I at least know has really good health benefits, so I don't know. I made some, I'm doing it, I'm drinking it. Would I do it again? I don't know. It's rough. It's a rough life. It looks really pretty. It looks really good. It looks like this would just be some creamy deliciousness, I did add a little sweetener today, just because I didn't want to be making a really gross face as I was sipping this. And it's really not that bad. It's not as bad today, I'm not gonna lie, now that I'm drinking it. This is my first day sweetening it, so maybe that's the key to drinking grass juice, I feel like I've had friends that say that's how they drink matcha, is with the little syrups, so, we're getting somewhere. Lying in front of me off screen is a huge pile of laundry, and I also have more laundry in the dryer. It's kind of been one of those weeks where it's I've had time to wash and dry the laundry, but not enough time to actually fold it and put it away. So we're gonna be doing that in today's vlog. Also, holy crap, next week, I just realized, next Friday we are leaving for our beach trip. My fiance and I go on an annual beach trip every year for our anniversary. So next week's vlog is going to be a beach preparation vlog, or I don't know if it'll be a vlog. Yeah, it'll probably be a vlog. Prep for the beach with me, because I have a hair and nail appointment next week, so everything will be nice and fresh right before the beach vacation. Here is a quick living room update for those who have watched my previous vlogs. Basically, I just took our existing living room and added some decorations and pillows and stuff like that, including the curtains, which I think is the only thing that I didn't update. There is still something, we have to find something for this spot right here. Because as you know, on the last vlogs as well, I talked about the coat rack that my fiance was building to replace this one, and we were going to put some sort of decoration here, or I don't know what we're going to do there, but basically so that the coats aren't hanging on the wall and they're more concealed and put away, so it's more aesthetically pleasing. Obviously, our sofa does need to be replaced. It's a little old and it's stained. I did try doing the steam cleaning, but it's had a lot of wear and tear. But we probably won't get another sofa until my fiance builds us another home. This was his first house that he had ever built, and I think he built it by the time he was 25, so. But we're probably still gonna stay here for a few more years. I actually don't have any flowers in the vase right now, so it doesn't look to its full effect. But I mostly just wanted to show you the updated living room with the curtains, because I remember that was what we were waiting on. And then finally, another big reveal is the coat/shoe rack that my fiance built. There's the bottom part where all the shoes go. And let me just open this real quick so you can see what's inside. So inside we have a coat rack for all of our coats and hats. And then I have some wet wipes there at the bottom for the bottom of our shoes if we ever step in anything. And I also have a lint roller right next to it just in case we're leaving and realize there's something on our clothes and we wanted to just do a final touch. But yeah, I really love it. It came out so great. I'm overall really pleased with how our entryway has ended up. I feel like this just looks so much better than it did before without the shelf that he built here. And that's our catch-all right there for our keys. Instead of having the coats on display in the living room right here, I feel like that was just such an eyesore, but it just looks so much better. I love it. Like bam, I just close that and it's nice and concealed. And we could have put a door on the bottom here. He asked me if I wanted one, but I don't know. I kind of like the look of the shoes kind of being on display. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to hit that. And also I like the easy accessibility just to be able to grab them and go. One of my most recent favorite activities is giving the birds some peanuts. I like doing this daily and just sitting by the window and watching them pick them up. Here is that huge pile of laundry, so I'm going to go ahead and snap and get it folded. Now that I've showered, I thought I would show you guys how I've been styling my bangs recently. I start with my little blow dryer brush and then I end it with a medium-sized hair roller, and I leave that in there until I'm done with my makeup and everything else. This has honestly been giving me the best results and I love them every time. As you may already know, another daily ritual of mine is journaling and planning in my planner, so I'm just taking a moment to do this. Okay, so usually I would blow dry the rest of my hair and kind of use that blow wand to straighten it out. Since the only thing I'm leaving the house for today is groceries, I just let my hair air dry. So this is kind of like how it air dries wavy when I'm not scrunching it or styling it. But it is a bit frizzy and stuff, so I'm just going to put it up in a clip. And then I'm going to take down the bangs. And now I just have a simple little updo. Okay, so before I leave to get groceries, I have a bunch of dishes that I need to catch up on, so let's go ahead and get those done. Okay, so now that the dishes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Walmart and get some groceries. And just like that, our day is coming to an end, so I thought I would go ahead and give my makeup brushes a good cleaning. I do this once a week. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know because I'm always reminding you. But that wraps it up for this vlog. If you like today's vlog, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.